In this ArcMap demonstration, we're going to look at how to work with symbology. If you look at the map we have here right now, there's a point theme here, which has a number of points represented by just a green dot. So we're going to go in and play around with the symbology for that. So to begin with, I'm going to right mouse click on the layer, go to Properties, and then pick the Symbology tab. And right now it's set to single symbol. We're going to go to Categories, and we're going to pick a value field. We're going to look at one of the attributes in that data set, and we're going to point_ID. For a number of the data sets we'll be using here in regards to the forest resource inventory, outside of the union polygon layer, we'll often use the point_ID to differentiate between different features on the map. So what I'm going to do is, right now it's set to unique values. You could choose one of the other options, but unique values is going to work for us. So for every value contained in the point ID field, there will be a separate symbol for it. So we're going to click Add All Values right now, and what it did is it looked at all the different values for that point_ID field contained within the data set. Now I know that the 54 represents a bridge, so we're going to look for a symbol that looks like a bridge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click the red dot in front of 54. It opens the symbol selector, and right now if we look at the symbols we have available to us, we have Civic, and we have Esri, and if we go to style reference here, we'll see that Civic and Esri are the ones that are checked off. If we wanted some others, all we'd have to do is click and add that reference style, and then we'll find out we have Civic. Sometimes it takes a while for some of these to draw, especially when you have a large list. And we have Conservation, and Esri's in there as well. So we have 3 sets. Go back to style reference, and I'm going to get rid of the Conservation one and just leave Civic, because I know contained within Civic there is a bridge symbol. So I'm going to pick that, click OK, and my symbol now changes to a bridge. And if we look at the map, it's not that obvious, but there's a bridge somewhere in here. We'll look at it again later on. I guess I had to hit apply. You still can't see the bridge symbol, but we'll worry about it later. There is other ways to find symbols, so I'll click on the symbol again. This time we're going to type in the word bridge. Oops, I can spell it. And do a search on that. Right now, if we go to reference styles, we'll find that there only is one bridge in the current reference styles, and if you remember, those reference styles were Civic and Esri. But if we choose to search all styles, we'll see that it will search all the ones that we could have checked off in this list down here, and we see there's a number of bridge symbols. So I'm going to go down here and pick one, this one here for narrow bridge, and go OK. So we now have that. There is one other thing you can do, and that is, if I go in here, if I don't quite like this symbol, it's not quite what I want, I can go to Edit, and I can make some changes. You can see that this symbol is made up of 3 different layers. I'm going to choose the one that's this orangey brown color, and I'm going to change that color to this here. I'll click OK. So now if I hit OK, it'll apply that symbol to to my symbol set that I have. But if I think I possibly want to use this in the future, I can go to Save As and give it a name. I'll say Wells Bridge. I could give it a category if I wanted. Let's say Bridges. There we go. And we'll see that it's going to go in the trowel style, which is where you most likely want it to go, and I wouldn't even bother fooling around with that. And you'll see that there's some tags, kind of descriptors of the symbol. It says orange. Well, I changed the color of that. I think that color I chose was cyan, so I'll type that in here and I'll go finish. And now you'll see that we have another reference style here. It's called W trowel. For you, it'll have your username there, and this symbol will always be there for me to use. So I'm going to click OK. I'm going to apply that symbol. Hit OK, and we'll see that that bridge symbol is now representing the bridges in the map here. If you decide that you no longer want that symbol in your reference style, you can go Customize, go to Style Manager, and you can see that there's a number of different styles in here. We'll go to the one that is associated with our user, W trowel style in this case. You can see that the yellow folder, that was a marker symbol we created, and so there is a marker contained in this one, so it's yellow. So I'm going to double click that. It opens up, and we could right mouse click it, go to Properties. We could change some of the properties of it if we wanted to. We could also click in here and change the name. We could change any of this information down here if we wanted to. Also, we can go on here and delete it. So now we'll go close, and if I go to that symbol selector, you'll see that that symbol is no longer there.